everyone, this is Remaline again from Hope Philippines Food Cart Franchising and Business Development Services. Who is Hope Philippines? Hope Philippines is founded year 2021, that's post-pandemic, where most of the Filipinos are hopeless, especially in the employment section, specifically in the industries that is really affected by the pandemic. Our mission is to provide an affordable pandemic-proof food cart business for an aspiring entrepreneur who has a low capital to start a lifetime source of income business. We also have our vision to change the Filipino perspective of being an ordinary employee to a promising business-minded individual. Our vision is to build an army of entrepreneurs because through entrepreneurship, we can also help to the economic development of our country. Siyempre, may economic impact yun sa Pilipinas. Kapag may negosyo na tayo, makakapag-hire na tayo ngayon ng mga empleyado. We can also help our economy by paying our taxes. By paying our proper taxes, we can help to the economic development of our country. So let's proceed to our offers. Hope Philippines come up with different unique food cart concepts that are available for you to franchise. We have affordable international concepts such as Korean food cart concept. We call it Samgyup Express. We also have Mexican food concept. We call it Viva Mexicano. And we also have Mrs. Kebab, our Mediterranean concept. We also have coffee carts, fried noodles, at marami pang iba na pagpipilian. We have different packages. We have all-in package. We also have the startup package. And then yung pinakabago namin ngayon na make your own name package. Ang priority namin sa mga offers namin, yung mga Pilipino na walang gaanong masyadong budget para sa malalaking business franchise. Gusto namin makapagsimula sila ng negosyo na may mag-guide sa kanila in affordable price. Alam ko kasi personally kung gaano kahirap maghagilap ng puhunan sa negosyo. So we come up sa low capital, fast return of investment na concept. So as low as 39,000, you can avail our all-in package, all-in food cart package. Ang isa sa mga priorities din po namin, yung mga empleyado na gusto ng side hustle. So, they can work from 8 to 5, then after that, magkakaroon sila ng negosyo nila, ng sarili nila, tutulungan namin sila. So, pakiramdaman mo muna kung sa tingin mo, napoprovide na ng negosyo mo yung sahod mo ng daytime from 8 to 5, I think that's the time na pwede mo nang iwan yung trabaho mo. Pero kung hindi pa, I suggest na hindi muna. Kasi ang pagnenegosyo, napakahirap. Hindi naman araw-araw Pasko, hindi naman araw-araw may kita. Kailangan mo munang pag-aralang maigi kung kaya mo na ba talagang bitawan yung daytime job mo bago ka mag-switch sa pagiging full-time negosyante. Isa sa mga pinaka-main priorities din po namin, yung mga housewife na nag-aalaga ng mga anak nila, na gusto din nilang makatulong sa mga asawa nila na kumitang pangkabuhayan din naman kahit papaano. Kung OFW ka, nagbabalak ka ng mag-for good sa Pilipinas, I think ito yung pinakamagandang regalo sa mga mahal mo sa buhay na naiwan dito sa Pilipinas. Itong negosyong ito. Naniniwala kasi ako sa idioms na if you give a man a fish, you will feed him for a day only. But if you teach a man how to fish, you will feed him for a lifetime. So sa mga OFW dyan, I suggest na instead of regaluhan sila ng mga appliances, regaluhan sila ng mga luho, I think ang pinakamagandang regalo ay ang negosyo. Kasi matuturuan mo na sila kung paano kumita on their own. Tapos ikaw, as an OFW, mapaprioritize mo din na yung sarili mo na makapag-ipon para pag dumating yung time na gusto mo nang mag-for good sa Pilipinas, makakauwi ka na. Our 39,000 all-in package, napaka-reasonable po ng price na yan. So if you want to know more about our 39,000 all-in package habang naka-promo pa ngayon, you can message us here sa Facebook page, sa aming email address. You can also call or reach us at our mobile numbers na indicated. It will be a pleasure for us to assist you sa mga inquiries ninyo regarding sa pangkabuhayan package. We will also love to talk to you personally. Kung may mga questions kayo, we can properly address it. So sana this year 2026, maumpisahan mo na yung negosyo na nasa isipan mo. Ako, si Hope Philippines, naniniwala kami na kaya mong magnegosyo. Sana pagkatiwalaan nyo kami na tulungan kayo sa journey na ito. So again, this is from Hope Philippines Food Cart Franchising and Business Development Services. Kaagapay ninyo sa pagnenegosyo. So see you on our next podcast. Bye-bye!